Have you ever noticed that when someone yawns nearby, you almost instantly feel the urge to yawn too? This contagious reaction is more than just a quirky reflex. Scientists believe yawning helps synchronize alertness and social bonds within groups. When one person yawns, it may signal to others that it's time to stay vigilant. Research also shows that the tendency to catch a yawn is linked to empathy and social awareness. So next time you yawn after seeing someone else do it, remember, your brain is quietly tuning in to those around you, keeping you connected and alert.